How to remove Snapchat media upload problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix your issue of Snapchat media uploading problem. Without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that issue, the very first method is you need to download the older version of Snapchat. For that, you just need to install the app that you have on your device right now and go look up for an older version. If you can't find it, you may just share it from one of your friends who has the older version of Snapchat and see if that works or not. So the next thing is open up your Snapchat. After opening up your Snapchat, just tap on your profile and go to your settings. After going to your settings, just scroll down until you see bugs and suggestions. Just tap on bugs and suggestions and tap on report a bug. After that, tap on friends and here tap on this. After tapping on it, just scroll down until you see snaps. Just tap on it and here under tell us what happened, just explain your issue, and after some time Snapchat will reach out to you and try to help you fix your issue. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your Snapchat media not being uploaded. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.